Love capturing tiny details? In this video, we're counting down the best cameras for macro photography in 2025. From budget-friendly pics to pro-level gear. If you want stunning close-ups of flowers, insects, or textures, you'll want to see which one takes the top spot. Hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up or down, and drop a comment telling us which one you think is best. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. OM System. OM1 Mark II. OM System has impressed us ever since reviving the Olympus brand, and the OM1 Mark II is their best yet. This enthusiast-level camera is packed with features, shoots at incredible speeds, offers exceptional stabilization, and delivers dynamic range that can rival larger sensor models. For macro photography, Micro Four Thirds is a smart choice. The smaller sensor gives you more depth of field, even wide open, a big plus when razor-thin focus gets tricky. OM System takes it further with in-camera focus stacking, merging shots at different focus points into one razor-sharp image. And with outstanding macro lenses like the OM System 90mm f3.5, you've got everything you need to capture close-up subjects with stunning clarity. Number 2. Sony A7 III. In Sony's full-frame mirrorless lineup, the A7 series is all about versatility, and the A7 III is still a fantastic all-rounder for macro. Sure, the A7 IV arrived in 2021, but most of its upgrades don't matter much for macro work. Plus, the A7 III's price is even more appealing now. You get a 24.2 MP sensor, one of the most advanced autofocus systems in its class, and 5-axis stabilization for sharp handheld shots. Pair it with something like the Sigma 105mm f2.8 DGDN Macro Art, and you'll get truly stunning results. It's not the cheapest option here, but for macro shooters who don't need the A7 IV's extra resolution, it's a smart buy. Number 3. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. This is your beginner-friendly entry into the Micro Four Thirds system. Affordable, lightweight, and perfect for new macro photographers. It shares the same sensor format and lens mount as the OM1 Mark II, giving you that depth of field advantage and access to a huge range of compact, budget-friendly lenses. Released in 2020, it still holds up today. The 20 MP sensor delivers bright, punchy images, and the ergonomic controls make shooting a pleasure. If you're starting your macro journey, this is a fantastic choice, and it's just as capable for everyday photography. Number 4. Fujifilm X-T5. The X-T5 is a fantastic macro camera, delivering vivid, detailed images thanks to its 40 MP sensor. Its fast hybrid autofocus and 6.5 stops of in-body stabilization help you get incredibly sharp. You also get access to Fujifilm's superb X-mount lenses, like the Fujinon XF 80mm f2.8 OIS macro for stunning telephoto close-ups, or the XF 30mm f2.8 for a compact, lightweight option. Full frame may have its fans, but the X-T5's combination of resolution, handling, and lens quality makes it a powerhouse for beautiful macro shots. Number 5. Nikon Z5. We've been impressed by Nikon's Z system, and the Z5 is an excellent entry point into full frame. It delivers the benefits of a larger sensor at a surprisingly affordable price, and full frame really shines in macro photography. While there's now a Z5 II, the original still holds the better value for macro shooters. Nikon's macro lenses are top-notch, from the budget-friendly ZMC 50mm f2.8 to the professional ZMC 105mm f2.8 VRS with its ultra-precise focus control. Add in great dynamic range, stabilization, and low-light performance, and you've got a macro photographer's dream. So, which is the best? For 2025, our winner is the OM System OM1 Mark II. Unbeatable image quality, speed, and macro-focused features make it a true close-up powerhouse, no matter your skill level.